Maybe you don't need motivation. Maybe you need a restart. Because somewhere along the way, you stopped being the person you promised yourself you'd become. You started waking up tired, thinking too much, procrastinating, watching other people move forward, while you kept telling yourself, "I'll start tomorrow." But let me tell you something, tomorrow is not coming to save you. You have to save today. Look at your life honestly, not the version you show people, not the version you post online, the real version, the habits you keep repeating, the excuses you keep defending, the goals you've quietly abandoned. And maybe that hurts. Good, because sometimes the truth has to hurt before it can change you. You don't need to hate yourself for where you are, but you do need to stop pretending you're satisfied with it. Because deep down, you already know you're capable of more. You know it. That's why you're frustrated. That's why you're restless. That's why normal days don't feel normal anymore. There's a version of you in your head that wakes up early, that works when nobody is watching, that doesn't need applause, that doesn't chase validation. That version of you isn't gone. You've just stopped feeding it. So restart. Not tomorrow, not Monday, not next month. Today. Delete the excuses. Change your routine. Put the phone down. Get serious about your goals. And most importantly, forgive yourself for the time you wasted. You can't change yesterday. You can't undo the mistakes. You can't go back and make better decisions. But here's what you can do. You can make sure those mistakes don't become your identity. Because your past is a chapter, not the entire book. And listen carefully, you don't need everyone to believe in you. You don't need your friends to understand. You don't need strangers on the internet to clap for you. You don't even need to announce your comeback. Just build it, quietly, day by day. One workout, one page, 1 hour of focused work, one difficult decision, one uncomfortable conversation, one promise kept to yourself. That's how you restart your life. Not with one giant decision, but with hundreds of small decisions that finally point in the same direction. One day, you're going to look back at this version of yourself, and you're going to realize you weren't broken, you were being rebuilt. The loneliness taught you something. The failures taught you something. The rejection taught you something. The days when nobody believed in you taught you how to believe in yourself. So stop asking, why did this happen to me? Start asking, what is this trying to build in me? Because maybe your life didn't fall apart. Maybe your old life simply became too small for the person you're becoming. So if you're watching this while feeling lost, take a breath. You are not finished. You're not too late. And you're not stuck forever. You can restart. You can rebuild. You can become disciplined again. You can dream again. You can become someone your future self will be proud of. But nobody is coming to do it for you. This is your life. And eventually, you have to decide whether you're going to keep repeating the same chapter or finally turn the page. Restart yourself. Not because your old self was worthless, but because your future self deserves a chance. Start again. And this time, don't stop. If you're ready to restart your life, don't just watch this video. Make one change today. Subscribe to Temple of Thought. And come back when you need the reminder. You are not finished yet.